Om Swastiastu. Hello Mr. Adi, how are you? I hope you fine and have a great day today. Okay Mister, in this great time, I will present my presentation homework about one of the topic in the field of civil engineering. Okay Mister, that topic I will be presenting today is the role of MK3 in preventing construction work accident. But before I discuss this topic further, I will introduce myself. My name is Gusti Dharma Patni Perean and you can call me Dharma. My number of my name is 220-5511-008 and I'm from class 1 of Civil Engineering at Udayana University. Okay, Mister, to shorten the time, we just go into the discussion about this topic. MK3, Occupational Safety and Healthy Management, or MK3, is the part of the overall management system, which includes organizational structure, planning, responsibilities, implementation, procedures, process, and resources required in order to control risks related to work activities, so as to create a safe workplace, efficient and also productive. Based on the study of Total Project Management, ACI, 1995, safety needs to be integrated into the project from conception to completion. Assessment activities regarding safety, health, and the environment need to start from the project planning stage, maintenance stage, and even to demolition. ACI 1995. The rational concept of total safety control is an integration of management action and synergetic implementation action to promote a safe construction process, Suraji 2004. There are many approaches to OSH management, including according to OHSAS and according to TKM, where safety is a central and integral focus in an integrated quality control program, Feigenbaum, 1991, which must be continuously improved to meet customer certification, internal, external. Okay, government regulation related to K3 management. It's the first one is the Peraturan Menteri Tenaga Kerja nomor 5 tahun 1996. This government regulation discuss about occupational health and safety management system with the point is organizational structure, planning, responsibility, implementation, application, achievement, review, maintenance of occupational safety and health policies. And the second government regulation is PP RI nomor 50 tahun 2012, and this government regulation discuss about occupational safety and health management system, or we can say SMK3. Developments carried out with a simple or high technology are never free from the risks of work accidents. In the past, work accidents were thought to be caused by the wrong action of workers. However, now the assumption has changed that work accidents originate from organizational and management factors. Workers and employees should be able to be directed and controlled by management so as to create a safe work activity. Implementation of good occupational safety and health is necessary to minimize accidents at work, especially in construction projects. Therefore, throughout this presentation, we will find out how MK3 influences the prevention of work accidents in construction projects. On this MK3 topic, we will focus more on discussing about function and also the source. Okay, first we can discuss about the function. The function in this MK3 contains with planning, organizing, implementation, and also surveillance. And then in the research, contains with man, material, money, machine, method, and also information. Okay, the first we will discuss about the function of MK3s. MK3s have 4 functions: planning, organizing, implementation, and also surveillance. Planning. In this function, planning contains with 4 points. First, occupational safety and health or key training efforts. Second, analysis of the hazard that may arise in a job and how to overcome them. The third, articles that regulated work safety preventively by referring to applicable laws and regulation. And the last is emphasis on responsibility. Next function is establishment of P2K3 or K3 Organizing Committee, which is responsibility for occupational safety and health in industrial activities. The second is organizing safety meeting for field supervisor and owners. And the last is employing full-time safety supervisor. The next function is implementation. Implementation contains with 3 points: directing of implementation and clear instruction or directing, as well as coordination. Second is management skill including communication and also leadership. And the last point is safety training and incentives. Next is the last function is surveillance. In this surveillance contains with 2 points: assurance that the K3 management system is implemented properly, and then resolution of problems that occur. Okay, next we discuss about source reviewing K3 management. In this source reviewing K3 management have 6 parts or 6 points. First, man, money, information, material, machine, and also method. Man containing about planning or arrangement of working hours, work breaks, training, and also gradients on K3. In money, containing about allocation of goods for accident prevention. In information, containing about accidents and their costs can be accommodated in a file that is open to the public so that the executors or contractor are expected to be able to avoid the accident. And the next is material. In material, containing about the material used is according with the required standards so as not to cause accidents both during the construction phase and the building utilization state. And then machine. In machine, containing about the machine use must be in good condition as evidenced by regular maintenance and a valid to capability certificate. And the last source is method. A method containing about the work method created must be reviewed from a safety perspective. Later, the necessary safety equipment can be prepared. Certificate stating that company or economic activity has implemented the K3 management system properly is issued by the competent authority or DEPNACER and is valid for 3 years. In addition, to ensure the consistency of the K3 of the K3 management system. Regular audits are carried out by authorizing officers. Every week or month, it is necessary to have meeting discuss all matters related to the implementation of K3 in the company so that all information and issue can be known by the related section. Based on all the discussion that I have described before, I can draw the conclusions. The increasing use of construction work tools that are more sophisticated and the challenges of civil engineering work that are increasingly difficult. The number of construction work accidents can be even higher. Meanwhile, on the part of worker, the need for safety is increasingly becoming a demand in line with the fulfillment of basic needs. Therefore, from now on, there must be serious efforts to reduce construction work accidents. K3 management plays a very important role in preventing work accidents in construction projects. This role ranges from planning, organizing, implementing, and supervising. Furthermore, this prevention can also be viewed from the components of humans, materials, money, machine or tools, work methods, and also information. Okay, mister, that's all for my presentation. If there is a mistake in the presentation that I present, both in the pronunciation and the content of presentation material, I apologize and ask for the guidance. Thank you for watching my video and see you! Okay, I close this presentation with Paramasanti. Om Santi 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 Santi.